welcome to my channel. I'm so excited about today. I've finally received my FabFitFun starter box. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be unboxing that, and I'm very excited. I've always gotten emails about subscribing to FabFitFun, but I've always wondered about it. So I'm gonna, yeah, scoot that over just a little bit. Okay, but anyways, so that is what we are going to jump into today, and I want to know how your day went. I have had the best day ever. I had to work, but it was great. It flew by, thank God, and I'm off this weekend. So, anyways, I would love to know. Put in the comments how your day went. But this is what the starter box looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in it. I have wondered about these starter boxes. I figured it would be smaller. But, so yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay. So that's what it looks like on the outside, which is very beautiful. You open it up. I have not opened this. I have no idea what's in it. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And FabFitFun starter box, if you're curious about it. This is, you know, a great thing to do because I've been curious about it. I've seen, you know, what people get in their starter, or in their FabFitFun boxes, but, you know, I'm just curious. So, you know, if you are, you know, thinking about joining FabFitFun, then this is the perfect video for you. Okay. So, a note from us. At FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Sorry, my phone's dinging. Enjoy some of our top-rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing. FabFitFun. Note, and then it has on the back what I don't even know. Oh, I don't want to see what's on it. Okay, so first of all, there's the little magazine that I have seen in, you know, the seasonal boxes, which is pretty cool. How the box is curated, seasonally. Your box is full of secrets, and we're sharing them. 5 ways to boost your workout. So I am excited to read that. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Alright, so like I said, I have not been in it. So we are going to very easily untape this paper. Well, that didn't go well. So, wow. Okay. Okay, the first thing that I see, and I have tried this before, and I absolutely love it, and I need some more because I'm almost out of it. But this is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. And I work 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and I wake up and my eyes are puffy. I have under eye circles like crazy. So yeah, this will definitely come in handy. And that is worth $42. And this is just a starter box that you pay $5 for. You know, I'm not quite sure yet how you get the starter box, or how you can give out the starter boxes. I believe you have to become a member of FabFitFun, and then you receive starter boxes to give out to your friends and family. But I'll have to look more into that. I'm very sorry, but I'm excited about that. Okay, so I'm saving one thing for next to last. Oh man. Okay, I can't pronounce this. OUAI. It is a leave-in conditioner, and my hair is finally growing because I stopped straightening it. and putting a lot of heat to it. So now it's finally starting to grow, which I'm very happy. But this stuff right here is, this conditioner works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. And this bottle right here is worth $26. So that's $42 plus $26. I'm impressed already. Okay, so I'm going to add this starter box up. I'm going to add this baby up. Okay, so far we have 42 plus 26. Okay, 42 plus 26. Okay, all right. Okay, and I know the next thing is expensive, because when Laura Lee came out with her eyewear, I looked on, they were all sold out. So yeah, Diff eyewear, baby, it is worth $85. Now, if this starter box doesn't make you want to join FabFitFun, wow, then I'm gonna look and see what, see if I have any starter boxes that I can give out. So after this video, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm not sure exactly how many they give out. They give out like, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna look into it. I wish I would have done it before the video. I'm super sorry, but I will do that. And just leave your email in the comments, and however many I get, the first few will get a link to a starter box, and all you pay is $5. For every pair of Diff shades sold, we donate 1 pair of glasses to a person in need. And that's why I like Diff eyewear, and I'm super excited about this. Aviators are such a classic style. Yes, they are. Made of stainless steel and black and gray radiant lenses, this sleek pair will complement any face shape. So let's see what these babies look like. I am super excited about these. I know I keep saying super excited, but wow, look at my hair. Okay, so these, oh my god, look at the case. The case, these are not cheap. I mean, they're not cheap made. So that's what that looks like. Like I said, they're worth $85. So this box, I paid $5 for, and the total retail value is $175. It's on the card. Right there at the top. Right there at the top. It is worth $175 for $5. So if that doesn't, I'm joining FabFitFun now after getting this box. Okay, so let's see what. Ooh, yes, baby, yes. And it comes with, something to clean with. Okay, so I am very excited. I love these. I really do. Yeah, I like them. I look like a bug, but you know what? Aviators are in style, so I'm gonna wear them. I really do like them. I really do. Alright. Okay, so now the next thing is, this is the last thing in the box, but I mean, this is every bit worth joining FabFitFun. So this is a, what is this? It's a Summer and Rose Celine trinket dish worth $22. A place for everything. And this is a super cute box. So we're going to see what this baby looks like. I'm joining FabFitFun. They're going to bill me on the 20th. So I've already talked to them. Okay, so anyways. Oh my god. I have seen on the app Shine, I believe. S-H-E-I-N. Makeup containers you put your brushes in, and different holders you can put different things in that match this. So I will leave that link in the description box as well. But it totally matches this, and I really love this. I could put my, you know, rings, my bracelets, you know, whatever. But I really absolutely love that. I can mix. No, I'm not mixing foundation in that. But this is so cute. I'm in love with this. So I have to join. I mean, the Diff Eyewear, the Dr. Brandt, that alone was worth $42. The leave-in conditioner, and I'm curious as to what it smells like. But yeah, this is pretty cool. You know, if you are curious, if you've been curious about FabFitFun, you know, and I have been for years. I mean, literally for years. I have been curious about joining FabFitFun, and finally I'm going to put in the money to join. So yeah, it's every bit worth it. So yeah, I gotta hurry because my daughter or her dad are getting ready to open the door, and they are super loud. So yeah, I want to see what this smells like. This is leave-in conditioner, which will do wonders to my hair. Oh wow, that smells amazing. But yeah, I know I've heard of this brand. I can't pronounce it, but this is awesome. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Okay, so that is it for the FabFitFun starter box, which I am very, very impressed. And so I hope you enjoyed the video. I will leave the link in the description box to join FabFitFun, because after getting the starter box for $5, I'm joining. So I'm going to look, and I'm going to see if I have any starter boxes to give out. And if I do, then the first few people that comment, however many I have, then I will send it to your email. So comment your email in the comments and comment how your day is. I'm always curious as to how your day went. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will leave everything in the description box, along with the things that match that trinket holder thingy from Shine. And speaking of Shine, I got 3 outfits from them. Okay, and they are super affordable. I want to throw this in real quick. Okay, they are super affordable. Super, super affordable. They have the cutest clothes. I got this jumpsuit. This is super cute. It's a jumpsuit. Oh, well, you can't see it, but yeah, it's a jumpsuit, and it's got a belt that ties around, and it is so freaking cute. You want to know how much I paid for that? $8. You want to know how much I paid for this? This is a romper, and it is so cute. I have a pair of red heart flip-flops with a heart that goes with this, but it ties at the front, and it's a romper, and it is so cute. It's strapless. I paid $8 for that. And this is so they have the cutest freaking clothes. I got this. This is a romper. See? Oh my god. It fits true to size. The jumpsuit, I should have got a size bigger, but the rompers are true to size. They have the most amazing clothes. I mean, everything that is in style, and it's all super affordable. It's called Shine, S-H-E-I-N. I will leave it down in the description along with what I said I would. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to know how your day went, and thank you for watching. I love you guys.